Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Google Photos backup on Android. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Photos app on your Android device. If you don't have the app, download it from the Google Play Store. Once the app is open, sign in with your Google account. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions for the app to access your photos and videos. On the main screen, locate and tap on the Photos tab at the bottom. Next, tap on your profile icon or the circle at the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Photos Settings. Within the Settings menu, choose Backup and Sync. Toggle the switch on. You will see options for Backup Device Folders. Tap on it to choose specific folders to backup if desired. Next, select the Backup Device Folders option to view available folders. Choose any additional folders you want to backup by toggling them on. Return to the previous screen to adjust your backup quality settings. Tap on Backup Quality to choose between High Quality or Original Quality. If you want to save storage, select High Quality. Now, choose whether you want to backup using mobile data or only when connected to Wi-Fi. For mobile data use, enable the toggle for Use Mobile Data to backup. Keep in mind that this may use a significant amount of data. After making all preferences, press the back arrow to return to the main settings page. Ensure that all your preferences are set as desired. Your photos and videos will now start backing up automatically. You can check the backup status by looking for a notification at the top of the app. Feel free to explore other features in Google Photos, such as creating albums or editing images. That's how to use Google Photos backup on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.